Today I'll show you how I use 2 reindeer ornaments that I purchased at Family Dollar to make unique wall decor. First, I separated my reindeer from my wreath. Then I removed the garland from both of my reindeer. I took my 4 pieces outside. I spray painted my reindeer heads gold and my wreaths black, and this is what it looks like. To reattach my reindeer heads to my wreaths, I used Gorilla Hot Glue. For a more secure fit, you can also reuse the wiring. Once I was done attaching my reindeer heads to my wreaths, I attached wooden blocks that I purchased at Dollar Tree to 2 picture frames, and I'll show you how. I attached 1 block to the back of each one of my picture frames. I turned them over and I added 2 more blocks to each one of my blocks. Next, I attached canning lids to the tops of my blocks using Gorilla Hot Glue. You can also add another strong adhesive along with the Gorilla Hot Glue for a more secure hold. Next, I attached 2 picture frame hooks to 2 tumbling blocks using small nails. Then I attached my wooden blocks to the backs of my picture frames using Gorilla Hot Glue. Once my glue dried, I took both pieces outside and I spray painted them with the same gold paint as I used for my reindeer heads. Next, I attached my reindeer wreaths to my picture frames using Fix-All adhesive and Gorilla Hot glue. I made sure that my glue was applied to the areas that would touch my picture frames. Once my wreaths dried on the front, I turned my pieces over, and I also used Gorilla Hot glue on the backs to reinforce my hold. Next, I'll show you my final wall decor. Since these are plastic candle holders, I used battery-operated candles that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.